What's up, YouTube? I'd like to welcome y'all to another day in the electrical field. Um, just showing y'all another video of how I go down in the electrical world. So y'all check it out. Let me know what y'all think about it. Right now we're in a garage. We're doing a 5-story garage for a 4-story building. We've been here for about a month, running pipe, wire, everything. So, just check it out. Let me know what y'all think about it. This is Phil. He ran the temporary lights. Yeah, right now he hanging the temporary lights through the garage. But check it out. Let me know what y'all think. This right here is some of the pipe work. Well, the name for it is conduit. So this right here is some of the conduit we ran throughout the garage. You'll see a lot of it. You look up. See the little saddle bins. Yeah, we getting it in this garage, man. This is a part of what we do. Again, this pipe is called conduit. EMT conduit. Electric metallic tubing. So right now you see the boxes, we running wires through them. This is what we doing right now, pulling the wires to the conduit. So y'all check it out. Let me know what y'all think about this video. See a lot of different, bins going on. But just check it out. Let me know what y'all think. Yeah, man. So this is what we doing out here in the garage. This is one of the spots we at. Basically doing a wire work in the garage. So check it out. Let me know what y'all think about it. For all y'all, all y'all who want to know, a little bit of what we do in the electrical world. Like,